Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how to install Oracle Database 12c in Linux operating system. Let's start our VMware. Make login using root user. Root. Welcome. One. We need to download and install three components. First of them, WinNSP, MobExtreme. Third of them, Oracle Database 12c. Search, download WinSP. Click download WinSSP. Then download will start. Save. Then we need to install and download MobExtern. Download now. Portable edition. Then we need to download Oracle database. Go to delivery Oracle. You will download Oracle database 12.2.0.1. Sign in. Then search for Oracle database 12c Enterprise Edition 12.2.0.1. This item, okay, Oracle Database 12c Enterprise Edition 12.2.0.1.0. Okay, I check this. Do I check all? We need only Oracle Database, this one, Linux, then press continue. We checked only this one. Continue. Agreement. Approve the agreement. Continue again. Download. It will download Oracle Downloader. Okay, save. Run. It will start the application that will handle downloading Oracle database from Oracle website. Next, it will start downloading Oracle database. Okay, let's install WinSP and MobExtrail. Okay, this is the WinSP application. Okay, in your case, you will not find this session. Okay, let's start to install MobExtrail. Just double click on it. It will start the application. Okay, so currently we installed MobExtrail WinSP application. Okay, back to Linux virtual box. Right click here, edit connection. Okay, automatic, apply. Here, the automatic, select will be connected. Okay, connection information. This is the IP address for our virtual machine. Okay, take it copy and start session sh host name, this host name or host IP address, user root user, password welcome one. Okay, it will require from you password for the application to save your passwords. Okay, let's make it any password as you like. Okay, in OSP, write the IP address. Okay, user and password. Save will be saved here and make login. Okay, first thing we will do to set an IP address and host name for this machine. Go to etc and search for host file, edit. We'll set here IP address. This is my IP address that exists here. This one. Okay. And name of our machine Hyperion will be here. Just press tab. Hyperion dot local admin. Tab again. Hyperion. Save this file. Okay. Next step, you will find file in sources for this track called stop Linux firewall. It have command for stopping the firewall. Just take it, copy, and execute it using root user. It will be root user. Okay, execute it one by one. It's okay. Currently, you stopped the firewall for this machine. Second set of commands, it will be update operating system package. Before start installing Oracle database or anything in operating system. Should be also executed using root user. Then this command. Okay, let's execute another command. Yes. To start downloading package, press yes again. Okay, it's completed. Last command, yum upgrade. This message, another app is currently holding the yum lock. Another process, make lock in yum execution. Press Ctrl C to stop. Try it again. Okay, let's execute this command. ps-ef/grep root. Okay, let's make a restart for root session. Close it. Yes. Open it again. Execute same command. Again, still the process this number. Control C. Kill -9 this process. Execute again upgrade. It will start to upgrade our package. Yes, to download the package. Total count of package. Okay, upgrade package of operating system. It's completed successfully. Next step, start and install Oracle Database 12c. First step of installation, create Oracle user using root user. This is a command. Okay, create groups for Oracle user and set the password for Oracle user. Let's set it as welcome one. Okay, currently we are created the Oracle user. Second step, creating directories using root user for only these two commands, and then we will use Oracle user. Okay, let's make a login using Oracle user IP address of our virtual machine, but using Oracle user. Welcome password. Okay, currently we are using welcome Oracle user and password welcome one. Let's make a login also here. New session, IP address, username Oracle, password welcome one, save, save password, make login. Okay, let's execute another command using Oracle user here to make directories that we will install Oracle database inside it. Okay, inside the Oracle session, Let's execute, take it all. To execute a set of commands. Okay, make refresh here. App, Oracle product. We have two folder, FMW and resources. Okay, this is the zip file that we downloaded for Oracle database. Maybe you download with another name. Okay, let's move it inside folder resources. Just drag and drop it using Oracle user. Okay, next step, installing Oracle database in Linux server. Install the required RPM package. Let's take this command and execute it using root user, not Oracle user. Okay, install prerequisite package for Oracle database using root user. Copy this command and start and execute it inside your machine. Okay, installing prerequisite package finished successfully. Let's move to next step. Install smart tool. Okay, copy this command, execute it. Control C till -9. This process. Okay, it's already installed. Set the limits for Oracle user. Move using root user to this path using root. Okay, to file limits.config. This one. Edit. Inside the file, take this parameter, copy, and set it here. Save it and close the file. Then, using Oracle user, root user also, set kernel parameter. Take this command like this. Root user should be taken one by one. Okay. After we setting this parameter, we should to make restart for our machine. Okay. All these steps, it's a prerequisite of installing Oracle database. Here, go to this file, etc. sy control.config. This file, edit, and add these parameters. Okay, most of them may be added here. Save it. Install Oracle database using Oracle user. Execute this command. Okay, then unzip the file, this database file inside resources. This is using Oracle. This zipped file, we will unzip it inside this location here using Oracle user. Execute this command. We'll find a new directory added here, this one. After this, we will make a report to our machine. It's not finished yet. Press R to restart our session. I think VMware not started yet. And we will press R also here. Okay, it's not restarted. Okay, press R here. Not started also. We should to check our connection. And press R also here. So start here successfully. Okay, using Oracle user, execute this command to start the installer of database. We check some parameters that we are setting in a step of setting parameter, the prerequisite of database, and the installer will be initialized now. Okay, let's start in installing Oracle database. Uncheck this. I wish to receive security update via my Oracle support. Let's uncheck it. Yes. Create and configure database. Install database software only. Upgrade an existing database. No, we will create and configure database. Desktop class or server, it will be server class. Single instance database installation. Typical installation. Okay, our domain ORCL only. Okay. Our password it will be welcome1 with W capital. Create as a container database, uncheck this option. Okay, press next. Okay, press next. It will be prerequisite check. Then press install. Here, if you are got warning in prerequisite check about swap size, implement close steps, otherwise not implemented. In our case, we will not implement this, okay, because we are not got any error, okay. But you should to make restart after implement this step of parameters. It's okay. So this command we will not execute it. We will set parameter database after the installation finished. Okay, the following script need to be executed as a root user. Okay, take this command and go using root user, press it to execute this script. Okay, another one. Enter the full path name of the local bin directory. Bin directory using Oracle user or root user, sorry. User bin, take it copy. Okay. Do you want to set up Oracle Trace File Analyzer? Set no. Okay, it's finished now. Press in this message. Okay, it will complete installation. Okay, it's finished successfully. Close. Then set this parameter using Oracle user. Okay, then open SQL Plus using username sys and password welcome1. Execute this command as a HR. Okay, so database is working successfully. Another step, we can initialize SQL developer to test the connection to database. No. Okay. Create new connection. Sys connection. Username sys. Password welcome. One. Save password as sysdba. Host name Hyperion. ORCL. Test the connection. Succeed. Say okay. SID is not working. Using this. Okay. save it, and connect. So we can connect to our database that's created in Oracle Linux 6 virtual machine. Close SQL Developer. Go to this path inside Oracle User, Home, Oracle. We not have any files. Okay, here use Oracle User. This file, okay, dot profile. Double click on it. It's opened. Take this command, set this command inside it. Okay, save it and close it. Okay, this file will be initiated when we log in using Oracle user. Okay, so if we closed this session and restart it again, okay, and execute command of SQL plus, okay, it will be initiated because some export that export Oracle Home and export Oracle base and unique name and SID, all of this command is executed when we log in as Oracle user. Okay, another last step we will do to set an static IP for our machine. How to set it? Go to here, connection information. This is our connection information. Come here and make edit connection. This one, edit IP version 4, make it manual and add address. This is our address. The gateway, this will be our gateway. Subnet mask, this one, okay. Connect automatically. Apply, close this and close this. We can disable disconnect and make connect again. Check the connection information. It will be this IP address that we are connected using SQL, using MobXtream or using WinSP. Currently, we installed Oracle database successfully. See you in next video. Goodbye.